ChatGPT, can you give me a deep technical analysis on crypto market?
Sure. Technical analysis in crypto involves studying past price movements and trading volumes to forecast future trends. Key tools include chart patterns, indicators like moving averages, and support and resistance levels. Are you looking to apply it to a specific cryptocurrency?
Yes. Yeah, you can now save time with AI-powered crypto analysis. Are you tired of spending hours analyzing the markets manually? Here is a smarter and faster and better way to get the insights you need. Instead of going through countless charts yourself, spending hours, you can leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to simplify your overflow, your work without any stress. Here is how it works. The first step to start analyzing the markets using ChatGPT. First thing first, head to your preferred crypto exchange. It could be Binance, Bybit, BitGet, or KuCoin, whatever crypto exchange you desire, and locate the coin you want to analyze. For this example, I'm gonna be using AIXBT. Open the chart for this coin, and as you can see, it's currently pumping. You can select a time frame that suits your analysis. Options like the 1 hour, 15 minutes, or even the 4-hour time frames work great. Now to the second step, capture the chart. After selecting the time frame, take a screenshot of the chart. This is key to uploading it to ChatGPT so ChatGPT can analyze the chart for you. The third step, upload to ChatGPT. Download the ChatGPT app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. If you don't have the app on your phone, open the app and upload your screenshot. Once the image is uploaded, just type "I need deep technical analysis," and the ChatGPT will perform its magic. Step 4, let the AI work for you. ChatGPT will process your screenshot in seconds and provide detailed technical analysis based on the charts. Here's what you will get: current price, 24-hour highs and lows, trend overview, key levels, indicator insights, e.g. the RSI, KDJ, volume, and you also get the market sentiment, buyers versus seller activities. It will also show you the recommended entry and exit points. It doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also guide you on when to buy or sell, provide take profit and stop loss targets, and even offer advice for long or short trades. This is really wonderful. So after following the steps I just mentioned, you will see that ChatGPT will save you time and money. With ChatGPT, you no longer need to rely on expensive signals from the so-called trading gurus. This AI tool equips you with everything you need to make informed decisions, saving both time and money. And also, there's a caution: risk management is key. While the information provided by ChatGPT is highly valuable, always practice proper risk management. Avoid over leveraging. Okay, so you have to avoid over leverage. Okay, very important. While avoiding over leveraging your trades, also invest what you can afford to lose. And finally, I want you to know this method is not only effective but also accessible to anyone looking to maximize their trading efficiency. Test it out for yourself, and if you find success, share your experience in the comment section. Let us know how it worked for you and what insight you gain. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. I wish you guys happy trading.